Hi, welcome to Pyrography Made Easy. I'm Brenda. I wanted to take a moment and thank you for the great 2019 year. My channel has done awesome and it wouldn't have happened without you. And I want to wish you a wonderful new year. And I also want to thank everyone who has purchased one of my patterns on Etsy or bought me a coffee. The money helps offset the cost of my website and pay for some of the supplies I use. So thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Now, words can't always express gratitude well, so I started a portrait tutorial series to show my appreciation for your support. Now, let me state up front that portraits are not my strong suit, so I will be working on improving my skills, and I will be testing out different brands of paper to burn on. The first portrait will feature a baby, just the eyes and nose of the baby's face. The one after that will cover the entire face, and future installments will get progressively older, so there'll be a toddler, teen, young adult, etc. This Tuesday will be the release of the first installment in the series. Well, thank you again for your support. Happy New Year, and I will see you next week.